Hi everyone, let us start with real numbers, exercise 2.6 and question number 4 today. So, in this question, what you can see is arrange the surds. You know the surds, right? Surds is nothing but you have your rational number which you take the square roots, you'll end up with an irrational number. So, these are the surds which are given here, and you have to arrange this in descending order. What is descending order? Descending order is nothing but you have to put the biggest number first. So let us move on to our first question. Please always carefully write your question. Cube root of 5, ninth root of 4 and sixth root of 3. So this is your question. So the question is you have the orders as different. So if the orders are different, you can't compare your sets. Like if the denominator is different, you can't compare the fractions, right? So why it is like that? Let's see. This can be written as 5 power 1 by 3 and this can be written as 4 power 1 by 9 and this can also be written as 3 power 1 by 6. So if you could see your orders now 1 by 3, 1 by 9 and 1 by 6. Those are looking like fractions which are not having the denominator same. So what you will do if you want your denominators as same? To compare some fractions, you have to make your denominator same or like fractions. Similar way, you have to order your surds in the same way. Like the order of the surds should be same. So let us take the LCM of 3, 9 and 6 to make it same. So let's take the LCM here 3, 9, 6. So please be careful whenever you do any simple stuffs because this might end up wrongly. So this will be 3, 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So your LCM is 18 now. So you can write your 5 1 by 3 as this will be equal to, you are converting this 1 by 3 into like fractions. So this will be 1 by 3. How will you make it to make it 18? So you have to make 3. So if you are not sure, just take this 3 steps. 3, 3, 3. 1, 3 is here. So remaining is 3 2s are 6. So 6 you will get your 18 here. So this will be like 6 by 18. So again let us take the next one which is 1 by 9. Here you can write directly as 5 is equal to 6 by 18. So this is equal to 5 power 6 by 18. Next is 4 to the power 1 by 9. Here also you have to convert it as 4 to the power 1 by 9. Again what like fractions you have to make? You have to make it as 18 denominator. So this will be 2 and a 2. So this all you might have studied in lower classes. And make sure you don't make any mistakes here. So this will be equal to 4 to the power 2 by 18. So this is again a power with 18. And the third step will be 3 to the power 1 by 6. So this we can write as 3 to the power 1 by 6 into 6. How many times? Still, if you are not clear, 6 is taken out and put the 3. 3. So this will be 3 by 18. So this 3 becomes 3 to the power 3 by 18. So now if you could see your numbers has got rearranged as 5 to the power 6 by 18 and comma 4 to the power 2 by 18 and 3 to the power 3 by 18. So now, if you could see here, this is having the same orders now. So anyways, I'll rewrite it to continue. Let's have a continuation of this. So this will be equal to 18. Do you remember 5, 6 by 18 can be written as you have to take your 18 here, denominator on the root and 5 power 6. There is a formula for this. So take the top power on the top and this denominator over to the square. Here also the same thing, 18 you can write it as such, but this will be your 4 square. And here again, here you have to put the 18 as such and then put your 3 cube. Okay, so this is your answer now. So still now we can completely see all are taking the 18th root. So now we have to decide whether 5 by 6 is bigger or 4 square is bigger. and 3 cube is bigger, and finally you can end up with your answers. So 5 to the power 6 means you have to multiply it 6 times. 5, 5, 5, 5 by 25, 25 to the 125, and again you have to multiply this with the 125. So this for time saving, I write the answer here. You multiply it and write your answer. So this will be equal to 15625. So now we write here square root of 18,15625. So this will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. If you could see directly, you can see this is the biggest number 15625, and this is the second biggest number, and this is your third biggest number. So write according to the numbers given here. So this is the first number, right? So your answer will be, you have to write the biggest number first. So write it 5 cube root of 5 as your biggest number. The second biggest is this number. So that will be 6th root of 3 is your second biggest number, and this is your third biggest number, which is the last number or the smallest number. So that will be 9th root of 4. So with this we conclude this. I hope you understood this. Finally, the conclusion is, whenever you want to compare, if it is not in proper form, convert to this form and then take the LCM and convert the numerator as you do for the fractions, and then find your answers. So finally we can find out which is biggest, smallest, and arrange your numbers accordingly. Thank you. With this we'll move on to the next question. Yeah, let's move on to the second part of this question. The second part of this question is square root of, inside that you have to put your cube root of, and inside that 5. So two roots are there, two orders are there, and next one also, this full question has two orders 3, and inside that you have your next order 4 and the 7. And the third question will be again square root followed by another square root by 3. So let's have a deeper, clear understanding of the question first. So here what is given is, you have two square roots or two, you have two cube roots or square roots or two orders for that number. So we have to first understand a formula. Let's suppose it's like mth root and followed by inside you have one nth root of a. So that is the law of radicals. So this will be same as mn, which means m times of n, m multiplied by n of a, which means you can multiply these two and put one symbol. No need of two symbols. Okay. So this using this, let us write for all this. First one will be 2 into 3 is 6. So 6th root of 5, and that will be 3 4s are 12. 12th root of 7, and the next will be this. Do you remember what is this? If nothing is given, it is the square root, right? So that will be 2 2s are 4, 4th root of 3. Now this is same as our previous question. So what will be our next step? Do you remember? Yes. Write it in fraction wise or take the orders to the top. So let us take our orders to the top. 5 power 1 by 6. And then this will be 7 power 1 by 12. And this will be 3 to the power 1 by 4. So what will be your next step? The next step will be, what is your next step? Yes, take the LCMs to make your fractions like as we do, makes this powers as the like powers. So which means we have to make the denominator same, so the order same. So LCM of what we have to take 6, 12 and 3. So what happens if we take the LCM of 6, 12 and 3? 6, 12 and 3. Not 3, 6, 12 and 4. Be careful, don't get confused. So 6, 12 and 4 means, if you put it over here, we have got 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. And if you could take 3 here, that will be 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6 and 1 2, 2, we have to put it as such. Now if I put your 2 here, this will be 1, 1 and 1. So what is your fraction now? I mean LCM now. 2 threes are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So LCM of this is 12. So what could be your next step? Yes, start converting your fractions. So write your fractions one by one, which means your powers. So then just directly put it over here. 6 into, how do you make it as 12? So 6 times 2 is 12. So put a 2 here, 2 here. This will be 6, 2 by 12. So this will become, you can put an equal to symbol also. So this will be equal to 5 to the power 2 by 12. So your next step will be, let's move this a little down. So your next step will be, you have to take your next one, 7. So 7 will be 7 power 1 by 12. So what will happen if you put this? 12 means 12 is the LCM. So you don't have to do anything. Just you can keep it as such. So this will be the same as 7 power 1 by 12. Don't do anything. Just leave it as such. And then 3 to the power 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means 4 you have to multiply by 3 to make it 12. So this will be 3 by 12, and so your answer will be equal to 3 to the power of 3 by 12. So have you got everything in the powers 2, 12 and 12? Yes. So now, so you can compare, but anyways, now let us start writing this. So how will you write this? This will be, the base 12 will be the root, so 12th root of 5 square, which is equal to 12th root of here, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so the next question will be 12th root of 7, leave it as such, and the next will be 12th root of 3 cube. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 12th root of 27. So which is your biggest number here? 25, 7 and 27. This is your biggest number, and this is your second biggest number, and this is your last number. So how you write this is, you have to compare your numbers. This is nothing but you have to compare slowly and write it. Okay, so let's move on to our question. How our question looked is for this. The first last number is your biggest, right? So your answer will be, write your last number, which is 2 to the root of 2 to the root of 3. If you want, you can put your greater than symbol also. And then your first one. So the first one is 2 to the root of 3 to the root of 5. 3 root of 5. And then your next biggest number is, you have to write your next number, which is the middle number. Middle number is nothing but 3 to the root of 4 to the root of 7. So this is how you write your answer. Here, if you don't want, you can leave your root and write it like this also. So this is your answer, 2 the root of, make sure this 3 lies inside, okay, the root symbols, and then this will be equal to, put your 3 and put your symbol, put your 4 and put your symbol, and then 7. So we have got our answers. So hope you understood this question. I'll give a clear note in the next slide. Now do remember, always have the like orders to compare. If not, take LCM and make it like.